In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into it. Calendly is an incredible tool that makes scheduling meetings easier than ever, especially if you often find yourself going back and forth with people about finding the right time to meet. This little tutorial will help you set up your very own scheduling link that you can share with others so they can book time with you effortlessly. First things first, let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new, you might want to take a moment to sign up for a free account. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you should be on your dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Look for a prominent button that says Create. It's usually at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that button, and you'll be presented with several options for types of events. For this video, we're going to choose the one-on-one meeting option. This is perfect for those personal connections or discussions, whether you're collaborating with a colleague, having a catch-up session with a friend, or meeting with a client. Now that you've selected the one-on-one meeting option, it's time to customize your event. You'll need to give your event a name. Be sure to make this clear and concise so that anyone who sees your link knows what the meeting is about. For example, you could name it something like Coffee Chat or Project Discussion. Next, let's move on to the duration. Depending on how long you'd like your meeting to last, you can select the desired duration here. Calendly usually offers you several presets, ranging from 15 to 60 minutes, or even longer if you choose. Just pick the one that makes the most sense for your meeting. After setting your event's name and duration, the next step is to decide on the location. Calendly allows you to choose from a few different options. You can select an online meeting link, which is great for virtual calls, or you can choose a physical address if you're planning an in-person meetup. Once you've made your selection, you can move on. Now that you have everything filled out, it's time to finalize your event. Look for the button that says Create. Go ahead and click on that, and voila, your one-on-one meeting event is created. But wait, we're not done just yet. You'll see your new event listed on your dashboard. Right beside your event, there's typically an option that says Copy Link. Click on that, and this will copy your unique Calendly link to your clipboard. Now this link is what you'll share with others so they can book a time that works for both parties. It's as simple as that. Just paste the link in an email, a message, or however you like to communicate with your prospective meeting attendees. They can select a time that suits their schedule, and you'll both be all set for your meeting. To recap, we opened Calendly, created a one-on-one meeting, customized it with a name, duration, and location, then created it and copied the link. Easy, right? Just remember that when you have multiple kinds of events, you can create different links for each type, making scheduling even more efficient. Thank you for watching. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to take advantage of Calendly to manage your meetings effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!